So I flipped it, unplug the power, unplug HDMI, take out the Wi-Fi stick, the keyboard, okay, so I'll take off this panel. Dokes. Let's slide this bad boy out. Take out the screw on this side over here.
It's like a little push pin.
And then what do I do? Pull it down?
You push it down and then the right side of the graphics card will pop up. It's on the board, yeah.
Yeah,
You got it?
I got it, yeah. Okay, there we go. Just showing the camera. It's hitting a piece of the motherboard. Fucking 30 minutes later. Okay, there we go.
As soon as you put it down in the slot and push it, you'll hear a little click, and then it's in. That's all you gotta do. So you just line it up with the PCIe slots.
Okay, we are now in, I believe. Put this piece back on. Alright. PCIe. Okay. The 8 side and the 6+2. So the 8 pin goes here. Okay. Okay, that's in.
The clip side is the top.
Yeah, so this goes up here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the clip will be facing the top of the case.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm just gonna push it in now. Okay, that's in.
Okay, and it won't come out when you pull on it just a bit?
No.
You installed the graphics card, my friend.
We installed the graphics card. We're laughing. So I plug the power in, and then HDMI. Panel back on. Just slide right in. Just put these pins on.